Hey friends, welcome back to Vachi's Voca Talks. Many English learners often have difficulties with the words although, though and even though. So here I am today by presenting to you the usage of although, though and even though to clear your confusion. Stay tuned. Bienvenue mes amis. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Yes! And do you know what? So am I. First and most important thing I would like to tell you is that though, although and even though are all conjunctions. Hello friends, do you ever get confused about how to use these three very common words, though, although and even though? Well, I get confused many times with the usage of these words. Do you also? Watch this video. It will make you understand clearly and you will never be muddled again. Though, although and even though are used for the same meaning, expressing the idea of contrast, but structurally there is a small difference. Though means in spite of something, although also means in spite of something, and even though also means in spite of something. Let's have a look at the sentence structure of the words though, although and even though. First, though I am busy, I enrolled in that course. Changing it into although, we will write although I am busy, I enrolled in that course. And converting it into even though, we will write even though I am busy, I enrolled in that course. Similarly, by replacing the placement, we can say that I enrolled in that course though I am busy. Changing it into although, we will say I enrolled in that course although I am busy. Converting it into even though, we will say I enrolled in that course even though I am busy. Let's look at although first. Although means in spite of something. Now let's have a look at its sentence structure. In although sentence structure, we use although first, then a subject and then a verb. Example, although I'm tired, I don't want to sleep. Now let's see even though. It means in spite of something. Now let's have a look at even though sentence structure. In even though sentence structure, with even though we put a clause. Example, even though I am lazy, I am punctual. Now let's have a look at though. It means in spite of something. It can also be used as the end of a sentence. Example, I already ate. Thanks though. The other example is, English is tough. Learning with Vachi is easy though. I hope you all agree with this, isn't it? Let's have a revision. Although means in spite of and it is a conjunction. Example, although he is suffering with a disease, he is always happy. Here are some more examples. First, although I am lazy, I am punctual. Second, although she is short-tempered, she is my best friend. Third, although she likes tea, she drinks coffee sometimes. Let's have a revision of though. Though means despite any fact and it's a conjunction. Example, though his online classes were going on, he played with video games. Here are some more examples. First, though she is intelligent, she is naughty. Second, though she goes to school, she is ill-mannered. Second, though she is good in drawing, she still needs practice. Fourth, though she is short-tempered, she is kind. Even though means expressing the idea of contrast and it's a conjunction. Example, even though I'm keeping well, I will not come to play. Here are some more examples. Even though I am busy, I have time for you. Second, even though I do not like dogs, my mother likes them. Third, Even though I like dancing, I do it very often. Hope the usage of though, although, and even though is clear to you. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and happy Voca Talking.